I gave you my heart.
Every morning I start my morning with a cup of coffee. I use the K-Cups by Caribou. I love the Caribou K-Cups. I've been addicted for like years now. I actually have them on like subscribe order from Amazon. So I like to do a 10-ounce cup of strong coffee. I am doing sugar-free right now, so I am using the stevia sweetener and the Italian sweet cream creamer sugar-free by Coffee Mate. So I go ahead and put those two sweeteners in my coffee, and then about 3 tablespoons of the Coffee Mate coffee creamer. Because I have been quarantined for 3 months now, my mornings are pretty lazy, usually just watching TV with my coffee, and of course with my little pup. I am about to make lunch, so while I make my lunch, I'm going to go ahead and have my pink drink for the day. I typically do my pink drink about 30 minutes before I eat lunch. I find that gives me the best results. So for our sugar-free lunch today, we are going to do a butterball turkey burger that we're going to make on our George Foreman here. Super easy and quick. And then I'm also going to pair this with some roasted broccoli. I am still drinking my pink drink, but I am going to go ahead and prepare my water. I like to use my Hydro Flask. It fits almost 2 bottles of water in it, and I do try to drink 5 bottles of water a day, so I drink 2 of these Hydro Flasks a day. And lunch is complete. I did allow myself some ranch on the side, as well as top my turkey burger with some cheese. I am counting my calories for the day, so I won't be going over. So now we'll go ahead and move on to dinner. For dinner tonight, we're going to have some Italian chicken sausage from Publix, as well as some zucchini and onion. So for the first step, I'll go ahead and chop the onion. I'm going to peel the excess skin off first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and chop that into pretty big pieces so that I can saute it with the zucchini.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullet.
Next, I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my zucchini. I like to chop it into fine pieces, and then I will go ahead and saute that with the onions.
So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me.
I will be using some extra virgin olive oil to saute my sausage as well as my veggies.
All the odds were against me, but now I'll be ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.
I'm going to go ahead and set the temperature for a little bit lower than high for both the sausage as well as the veggies, just so I can get my pans heated up quickly.
I ain't asking for permission, no. I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no. 'Cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, go, go.
I did use a meat thermometer to make sure that my chicken sausage was done because chicken does kind of freak me out a little bit. And here we have our final product for dinner, and also my baby begging for my final product because he thinks it smells super delicious.